This is Lake. He's really going to town on that. He's gonna move the whole thing. He's gonna move the whole darn thing. That's River over there in the bed. Hi, River. Look at that face. Look at that pretty face. Where did we go now? Well, Storm is drinking water from the water bottle. Go out a little. Yeah, he's a thirsty boy. And the two white kids, Brooke and Rain, are fast asleep. Let's see if we can zoom in on them. They're asleep. Yeah, they're asleep right there. And their Storm jumped on top of them. That seems to be the favorite corner right now because it's closest to the rest of the room and everything that's going on. Let's get back to these kids playing with their toys. Get back to these kids playing with their toys. Lake is going to go potty on the potty now. Good boy, Lake. Good boy, Lake. That's a good boy. He's going potty. Good boy. And River's got a hold of a toy over there. She's going to town on that toy. I think she's trying to get it down. Uh-oh. Didn't work, did it, River? It didn't work. That toy got the best of her. She's going to try another one. Oh, there's no toy. I better put a toy on that one. Yeah, I got to put a toy on that one, too.